We're here to send a message to Washington and Congress.
We're hoping to raise awareness with Congress as well as the President that the aviation in a whole needs to be taken a hard look at.
I'm fighting basically for the future of not just the aviation industry, but the average middle class as a whole.
They haven't done anything to address some of the problems.
I would want the congressional members to enact legislation to support our pensions, to do something about health care, and to really make the CEOs accountable across the nation right now.
We hope that our members of Congress are paying attention. Those who are in a position to make policy.
It's time for them to get to work. They need to help us right now in our industry. This very well could be the decline of the middle class.
The White House and Congress and airline management have a choice to make. They can stand up for workers, or they can just continue to play the games that they played. They've ignored pension problems, they've ignored fuel costs, they've ignored healthcare costs. Come January, when the new Congress starts, they can make the right choice or they can make the wrong choice, and we're going to send them that message today.
Dragging down the standard of living for workers in this country threatens the very foundation of American values, and we will not stand by and let that happen.
Something has to be done within the government to prevent the erosion of our benefits and our contracts. Airlines are now going to the courts to aggregate contracts with flight attendants and others in the company.
Our message tonight to Washington is get to work, because that's what we do every day.
The time has come to clamp down on airline executives who are running the industry into the ground with failed business plans. At the same time, trying to stick airline workers and consumers with the price tag.
Flight attendants' pensions are being gobbled up by airlines that are in reorganization. We're deeply concerned that health benefits are being taken away from working flight attendants as well as flight attendant retirees.
So we tell them. Our country's allowing jobs to be shipped overseas. They're being outsourced, and the jobs that are here now are being cut back to where people are no longer middle-class workers.
Get to work, Washington. Reform our bankruptcy laws. Get to work, Washington. Restore the right to collectively bargain. Get to work, Washington. Invest in infrastructure and save jobs. Stop excessive executive compensation.
We have to say loud and clear, not only to this White House, but to this industry. You created chaos, and now we will bring chaos to you.
The middle class and people who buy houses were the people who pay taxes, a substantial amount of taxes, and we want to see the middle class saved. This very well could be the demise.
Get to work! Get to work! Get to work!